Hello everyone. An open letter from scientists across the globe calling for use of fabric mask to prevent COVID-19. Open letter from Jeremy Howard, Dr. Vincent Rajkumar and other leading scientists on using fabric mask to stop spread of COVID-19. In the light of convincing research evidence that face masks is a great tool to stop community spread of COVID-19, a group of scientists across the world have come together to issue an open letter promoting the use of masks by members of the public, arguing the arguing that the simple task of wearing a mask reduces transmissibility and thereby mortality. The scientists have praised for wearing mask, even defining it as any face covering as a key public health intervention. The coordinators of the statement are Jeremy Howard, research scientist, University of San Francisco, co-founder Fast.ai, member World Economic Forum Global AI Council, and Vincent Rajkumar, editor-in-chief, Blood Cancer Journal. The signatories are from North America, Africa, Asia, Oceania, and Europe. Full text of the open letter. We have an urgent message about some critical new scientific research. It strongly suggests that requiring fabric mask use in public places could be amongst the most powerful tool to stop the community spread of COVID-19. An international cross-disciplinary review of scientific research by 19 experts and other recent research shows that people are most infectious in the initial period of infection when it is common to have few or no symptoms. Cloth masks obstruct a high portion of the droplets from the mouth and nose that spread the virus. Non-medical masks have been effective in reducing transmission of coronavirus. Cloth masks can be washed in soapy water and reused. Places and time periods where mask usage is required or widespread have been shown to substantially lower community transmission. Public mask wearing is most effective at stopping spread of the virus when the vast majority of the public uses masks. Laws appear to be highly effective at increasing compliance and slowing or stopping the spread of COVID-19. The preponderance of evidence in both laboratory and clinical settings indicates that mask wearing reduces the transmissibility, transmissibility per contact by reducing transmission of infected droplets. The decreased transmissibility could substantially reduce the death toll, other harms to public health, job losses, and economic losses. The cost of such masks is very low by comparison. Modeling suggests that widespread public mask use in conjunction with other measures could bring the effective reproductive number beneath 1.0, thus halting the growth of the pandemic. Therefore, we ask that government officials require cloth masks to be worn in all public places such as stores, transportations systems, and public buildings as soon as possible. This action will prevent people who are infectious from unknowingly spreading the disease. We all ask business leaders who offer products and services to public to require their employees and customers we to wear mask whether or not it is required by local law. The vital step will help protect workers and customers. Such requirements will greatly increase the rate of mask wearing. This could be done in conjunction with not as a replacement for hand hygiene, physical distancing, testing, and contact tracing strategies. These requirements should be introduced alongside clear guidelines for the production, use, and sanitization or reuse of face masks. We urge you to also consider the distribution as shortages allow. There is no need to wait for availability of medical grade mask. Any face covering include a piece of cloth, a scarf, bandana, t-shirt, or paper towel appears to be effective. Sincerely, organizing signatories Jeremy Howard and Dr. Vincent Rajkumar.